Really ready now?
I knew that was too long.
They're not bad. Okay, they're not like burnt.
Not at all. Oh God! What is it stuck in my hair?
It was.
That's not very nice. Pass me one of these.
Yeah, go touch one. Gonna burn your mouth. Your mouth is gonna be on fire, but whatever. I mean, just go ahead, eat one. Just take a bite.
I did.
Now take a big bite. You throw like the whole tray. No. What kind of laugh was that?
Me or you?
You!
I said no.
No, you made like the weirdest laugh.
I was not laughing.
No!
Fuck off!
She ate it and then spit it out because it was so hot! Holy shit! She literally bit it and spit it out and it exploded.
Oh my God!
That's what would happen to you if you ate it.
It would explode.
Did you see that?
Yeah. No.
Did you see what happened?
No.
Get out of here, you fat.
Fuck!
Not you.
No. Let's flip them like.
Don't, careful. There's another one. She hears something drop.
You did it.
I know, but I'm saying.
What, you're gonna eat that off the floor?
Yeah. Get out.
Wait, stay there.
No, I'm not staying anywhere. I'm making more cookies. Get. Pick up a cookie with that. No. Ew, that's like not clean. No, I'm not waiting. Look at my floor, Jill. Oh no. This is Jill making a huge fucking mess. Okay, Jill, enough. We're wasting more cookies, alright?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm gonna get in here and she shouldn't eat that.
Oh, jeez.
Just take out your goddamn real hand! Enough.
I can't breathe.
Here, I'll help you. Okay, I'm going crazy. I'm trying to. Okay, let her eat this because I'm not sleeping. Actually, I'll